outside of Medford, Oregon. Might be a little breezy. Looking around. Landscape's beautiful until you figure out where we are. Yeah, we're at an RV repair place for the night. They're letting us plug in and sleep here while parts are on order, and we'll arrive tomorrow and we're gonna get fixed and back on the road again. Okay, so here we are the very next morning, and there's our new leaf springs that have just been delivered to the repair shop. It's just after 7 a.m. and that'll at least get us started. And then they're going to finish this thing up this morning. Hopefully we'll be on the road and out of here within a few hours maybe. And they were saying they wanted to try to get us done early this morning. I'm hoping by noon, and we can be completed and back on the road. Leaf springs, not dragging the ground. Know what I mean, Burn? So, we broke our leaf springs. They're putting new ones on here. They're going to put new ones on the other side too. But look at this. Look at that frame. Bent. Quite the mess. They're going to fix this all up in the morning. Getting new springs there, and across on the other side we're going to get new springs. Unbelievable that that thing moved forward enough. And because of that, you see that? That's our propane, one of our propane pipes. Comes out of our propane and goes underneath. Look at that. 10-foot piece that has to be replaced. Simply amazing. Here's the finished product. We got new leaf springs. Put everything back on, and it rides like a champ. It pulls like a champ. Both sides. Got them over there. And when they broke, the propane pipe broke, so we had to have a new section put back on it. Great big long section of pipe. It actually broke right here where the axle bumped and bent this up right here. Can you see that? Can't really see the concave there, but it is. And that's where it bent the frame up in here. But hey, everything works. It's good to go. And we're happy. Because not only do we have new leaf springs, we have gas.